Hello, so in this tutorial we're going to be looking at how to set up ThriveCart with the Fast ThriveCart plugin for FastMember. So from a FastFlow dashboard on the add-ons page, you just want to come over to the free tab and you'll see Fast ThriveCart available. So you just want to install this. And then once that's activated, you want to come into the settings and you'll see an option for ThriveCart, and there's also a notification here that we need to actually put in the API key. So if we just open the panel here, and this is where we paste in the API key. So if we come into the ThriveCart account, and basically from your ThriveCart dashboard, you want to come over here to your account settings. And then from the settings page, you want to just go to API and webhooks. And then on the API and webhooks page, you just want to go to API keys and view settings. And if you've already created an API key, you may see it up here, but you want to create a new API key. We'll just call this FastMember, create the API, and then copy that key and go back into your settings in the FastFlow dashboard and just paste that in and save those settings. Now those settings are saved, we can come into FastMember into the products, and the products that you want to sync with ThriveCart, you want to open one of them up, go to the integrations panel, and you'll see a panel here for ThriveCart integration. So here we have basically a URL that's going to be added into ThriveCart, and then we have the product and the ID that we need to add. So this is going to be either a product or a bump product. So I just want to copy this URL, go back into ThriveCart, go into the settings, API and webhooks, and in your webhook settings we want to view those settings. And inside your webhook settings, you want to basically add this webhook. So we'll call this FastMember again. And paste in that webhook. And set JSON. So if we go back into our ThriveCart account and on the products page, so let's just create a new product. And we'll create a digital product. So that's going to be the checkout URL. We can leave the label blank for now. So we just want to make sure all the pricing matches what's in FastMember. So this is a subscription product for $10 a month. Let's enter those details. And then if we have a bump on this product, add another digital product, confirm. And then we'll set up our processes. And we'll just go next. So we've got a basic product set up. And here we just want to send them to a URL. So this is going to be the success page on your FastMember site. So we'll just put for now I'll just put the login page. We'll just enter in the support details. So we've entered in our details and then we'll just click next. For now I'll just test with the standard cart. We'll skip the design for now. And we'll skip the tracking and we'll just save and get the URL. So this is our URL we want to use to test. So we'll just open this in a private window, and this is where we're going to do the test payment. And within FastMember we also want to add in our product IDs. So let's enter in the product ID from ThriveCart here. We find the product ID when we're on the products list. When we edit the product, if we look up here in the URL, we'll see a product ID at the end, which is number 6. So if we come into our product here and just enter number 6, update that product. And then if we go back to our products list, and we added 2 products into ThriveCart, so this is the second product, is the bump. And we go into integrations. And then we want to enter the same product ID, but also set this as the bump product. So we've got 2 products, both sharing the same ID, but one is the main product and one is the bump. So let's just update this. And now we're ready to test this product with a purchase. So if we enter in our email address, and we can select the bump here. Now I didn't change the text on this bump section, but obviously the price here is $100 increase, so we can see the first product is $10 and then the bump product is $100. So if we just continue, and then we can enter in our test card number, and we'll do this test purchase. You can see the purchase has gone through, and if we go back to our Fast Member site and look at the transactions, so you can see there's two transactions in the list. One was the subscription product and one was the bump product, and you can see the prices and the user that's signed up, and that user should have been emailed their login details and they'll have access to your content.